Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the very basics of mathematical computations in Python using the numpy module. Numpy is a Python module which, along with the matplotlib, scipy and pandas modules, is used for complex mathematical computations. Numpy is mostly written in C, so the precompiled functions work fast. It implements advanced data structures like multidimensional arrays and matrices. NumPy, as well as the other aforementioned modules, are not part of the standard library, so you have to install it. You can choose any way of installing the module you like. You can use, for example, the pip installation, typing pip install numpy in your console. But here we're going to use our Anaconda distribution of Python. The Anaconda distribution of Python is very well suited for mathematical computations. It contains the Jupyter notebook, which we are going to use in this video. So in our Anaconda prompt, let's type Jupyter notebook. If you don't have an Anaconda distribution of Python, you can use any distribution provided NumPy is installed. Fine. Enter. And here's our Jupyter notebook. Let's start a new notebook. Okay. Now with NumPy installed or available in the Anaconda distribution, we can start working with it. First, we have to import it. So, import NumPy. And usually, almost always, this module is used with an alias, np. So, import NumPy as np. When you work with NumPy, we use arrays. They're very handy to use. We'll start with a regular Python list to calculate the distances in kilometers and miles, and then we'll convert the list to a one-dimensional NumPy array and make the same calculations. This way, you'll see how concise and comfortable to use NumPy arrays are. So, here's our example. First, a regular Python list in kilometers. So, this is a list, let's say 240, 322, 124, 580, 456, 211, 785. And now we can use a list comprehension to make a list of the corresponding distances in miles. So miles equals a list comprehension d divided by 1.609. This is how kilometers can be converted to miles. For d in km. Then let's print my. Fine. Now we can run this code by hitting run over here or shift plus enter. So let's hit run this time. And here's the output. These are the same distances in miles. And now let's convert our list to a NumPy array and use it in our calculations. So, km equals np array km. This is how we can convert this km list with small km letters to a NumPy array km. Then we can print distances in kilometers new line, and here's our km numpy array. Then let's create another numpy array to store the distances in miles. We don't need a list comprehension here. The syntax is simpler. Miles equals kilometers divided by 1.609. Fine. And then let's print the new array. Print distances in miles. New line and our my numpy array. Fine. And now let's run this code. Let's hit Shift plus Enter. And here's our output. Distances in kilometers. Here we have our numpy array printed out. And here are the distances in miles. And this is also this mi numpy array. This one example will do for now. We'll have more examples of numpy in the upcoming videos of this series, so stay tuned. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.